Hi everybody, I am Mohamed from SEMRush DigiWeb. I am happy to be with you in this video. Before to start, please subscribe to get any update. Suppose you want to create a website in the aquarium niche or a segment of it. Let's start by entering the keyword aquarium. Here you get the first stats for that keyword, such as monthly volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, as well as search trend for the 12 last months. Below you have playlists related to keyword variations, questions that contain your keyword, and related keywords. Let's click here to see the overall list of keyword variations. As you can see here, this tool provides over 400,000 variations, which is huge. You can sort the list by keyword difficulty. You can also set the keyword difficulty between a minimum and a maximum value, or use these predefined ranges. You can select this range for easy keywords, which corresponds to a difficulty between 0 and 39%. Here you can also select a monthly search volume between 100 and 1000. Then you can also filter for keywords that have cost per click greater than a certain value. These keywords are interesting because they have low competition but still have sufficient search volume. You also have the option to display only keywords containing words like best. Usually, people searching with this keyword have an intention to buy. You can also add a keyword for to find more specific niches. Also, if we go back to our main search page, as seen before, you have also a list of questions containing the keyword you entered. These keywords are great because they can help improve the authority of your website, as other websites may link to a post of your website that answers one of these questions. In the same way, you can also narrow the questions list using the available filters. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon in another video. Goodbye.